first home. Here, like something like welcome home, like plaque. That's like a nice Victorian thing or something we can hang up in the house.
Look, like, they didn't pull all those weeds right there.
Because the gate's gonna be right there, isn't it?
The fence, but.
Can't wait to ride quads. Taylor, Paris.
Race.
No, I want to race with you. Come here.
But we have to go to the loft. Mom, here, hold on. Look.
You guys see the boys out there?
Taylor, stop. Shut it.
Come here, come in my room. So I was thinking we could put my bed right here because it would have enough space, or we can make it coming out like this.
That's going to take up too much space in the middle. You got to put it against the wall.
Right here?
Get one out of the sink.
Okay, help me.
What was that? Good thing that's on. I didn't know it was working yet. Don't touch that plastic. Don't.
I need to go. Did you notice the water work?
Yes. Go, Paris.
I need a drink. Mom.
Here we go.
Oh, that's good. That's okay. I want another drink. I want another.
Where the internet and multi-switch to DirecTV goes.
Good honey. I drank some water out of the sink.
Okay.
Yummy.